Alrighty guys, we're gonna do something unprecedented in this channel. We are going to attempt to run jumpers on camera. So I'm a little bit nervous. Pray for me. Let's switch to the scope view. Okay. So we got here an iPhone 7 and let's see, 465. And the complaint from this customer is that his iPhone 7, no matter how many charging ports we've tried, headphones work for about a day and then they stop connecting. Even new ones, old ones, doesn't matter. Only thing we did not try was AirPods, but that's irrelevant. Kent wants to use his headphones. It is what it is. So I was told to crack this open and run some jumpers on H12 D12. I believe we had already run the jumpers on this one for C12, D12, and G12, so that's probably where the break is now on the H line. Let me show you guys. Here's CXW. Let's see, we go down. Oops. There we go. So here's audio IC U3101. So the lines that typically break and we technically have to jump are C12, that one. D12, we jump it all the way here, right? We connect it. And then that's typically what we do, but since there's another break now, back in the days they used to do H12 and J12. So those are the ones we're going to try and jump today. So let's go back here.
It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16. It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16. It's a 16 buff in the dark.
verify that it is settled in place, you can just bump it right there. You see how it bumps and moves back? When we pull back and let it be the same, we're gonna let that cool down and then we're gonna clean it. Okay, so we have it playing right now on speaker. I know. Putting my own channel on speaker. Then we're gonna try with the headphones.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get that fixed for and get back to playing with your switch. So let's see if I can get this in. Alright, comment my journey.
Nope, still nothing. We may have to try later. Alright everybody, so fantastic news. That audio IC, so the H12, J12 jumpers actually did work. Thankfully, no floated baseband, always a favorite. So now, when we open YouTube, for example, let's wait for that to open real quick. We're gonna test with our store headphones. So we're gonna tap to unmute a video.
Hi everybody. Hi again.
And you guys can hear that. And as soon as we plug in
Nintendo Switch that was sent to us from.
There we go. No more sound. And I'm not sure how well you guys can see, but right there, up and down. And if I unplug it, oops. And sound's still working. Plug it in. Still playing. Sound's still going. I mean, I can hear it, but you guys can't hear it, but you get my point. So this has been fixed. It's not very common anymore to have to jump H12 and J12, but it can happen. Always look at the pads when you lift them, which pads are missing. Compare to CXW, make sure that they are not blue ones, which are no connects or not connected. They're just to smooth out the surface for the IC to be placed. If you see anything that's missing, do diagonal checks, check CXW, run the lines, etc. Just a lot of detective work and a lot of like sometimes monkey see, monkey do. So this repair is completed, and I really appreciate you guys staying put for almost 30 minutes. Have a wonderful evening, and again, click like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions, if you have any comments, anything I could be improving on. That will be incredible, and it will also be helpful. Thank you guys. Have a good evening.